Hi everyone, and thank you for purchasing XM TradeEdge Pro Indicator. This will hardly take 2 minutes of your time to install on your own. We don't require any TradingView ID or anything. I'll just explain the whole process. So you on order purchase, you must have got a link to install the indicator into your WhatsApp account. Once you click onto the first link, which is XM TradeEdge Pro Indicator link, you will be redirected to here onto this page. So on this page, you have to first log in with your existing TradingView account. If you're not already logged in, if you're already logged in, that's not a problem. So let's complete the process. You first have to go here. You have to click, or you can log in from your existing Gmail ID. Now you are logged in here, right? Then you have to click on the link again, which you have got onto your WhatsApp. And again, now you see that you are already logged in here with exclusive underscore money, right? Now what you have to do is to click on the star icon. So once you click on the star icon, this is getting added into your add to favorite section. This is added into your favorite section, so you can use it anywhere, any anywhere, be it on mobile, be it on desktop, or anywhere. Now you have to do nothing, just have to close all TradingView pages and close TradingView app and everything, and then you have to open the TradingView app or browser wherever you're currently using your TradingView. So let's suppose I opened the TradingView again. I'm already into this. What you have to do, just open any chart. So let's suppose open Sensex, open full chart from here, right? You just have to open a chart. I guess you all know how to open a chart onto your TradingView account, be it on browser or anything. If you are on browser, you can see an indicator section here. If you are on app, then you will see an indicator section at the bottom. So let's suppose there is a indicator section here. So click on the indicator section. Then you will see a favorite section inside your login. You'll click onto the favorite section and then you see XM TradeEdge Pro. You have to click on XM TradeEdge Pro. So you can see this is getting added onto your chart. Now you have to just close this and XM TradeEdge Pro is getting loaded. You have to What you have to also make sure is that for free TradingView account, you only take two indicators. So see XM TradeEdge Pros install onto your chart. Now many people have issues that how to reduce the size or remove this table. What you have to do is just open the indicator. You have to go into the setting, scroll down to bottom, and at the bottom you can see table setting. Table setting may either you can show status off, empowering message off, click on OK. The indicator table will be disappeared in a minute. So see, it's disappeared and the indicator is ready to install. If in future you want this to see again, then you can again check on show table status or this, or you can also reduce the size to tiny, table position to bottom right, and click on OK. So the position will get changed and it will also become tiny into this. Just give it few seconds, it is getting loaded. So now you can see the table is moved at the bottom so that you can trade at the above and table is at the bottom. Thank you guys. Try to install this with this method. And if you're still facing any issue, let us know in WhatsApp chat. Our support team will help you. Thank you.